Subject Science, Standard 9th, Chapter number 15. Name of the chapter: Life Process in Living Organism. Urine from remaining solution of waste materials is carried by ureters and stored in the urinary bladder. This urine is then given out through urethra. Human beings are able to keep a control on urination as the urinary bladder is under the control of nerves. The kidney are the main organs of excretion, but skin and lungs also helps in excretion in humans. The right kidney is in a slightly lower position than the left. Each kidney has approximately 10 lakh nephrons. The approximately 5 liters of blood which is present in a normal healthy person's body is filtered by the kidneys about 400 times every day. Thus every day the kidneys filter about 190 liters of blood, from which about 1 to 1.9 liters of urine is formed. The remaining liquid is reabsorbed. See figure dialysis of blood. Let's see dialysis of blood. The efficiency of kidneys can be adversely affected by injury, infection, or decreased blood supply. In case this happens, an excess of toxic substance accumulates in the body and it can lead to death. If kidneys fail, nitrogen wastes are separated from the blood with the help of a man-made machine. The process of separating the nitrogen waste from blood with the help of the machine is called dialysis. About 500 ml of blood is sent at one time through this machine. Purified blood is reinjected into the body of the patient. Coordination in plants. Plants do not have systems like nervous system or muscular system of animals. Then how do plants bring about movements? In plants, movements are mainly in the form of responses given to the stimuli. Some specific movements of the plants do not lead to the plant's growth. Such movements are called growth irrelevant movements. As a response to changes in the surroundings, plant hormones bring about various movements in plants. Observe the pictures carefully and think about them.